What do we got going on today? More like this morning. For some reason, I got up at I don't know, 6 o'clock on a Sunday. Might as well fix something. A buddy of mine gave me this. It's dead. Doesn't do anything. Plug it in. Does nothing. Dig into it. See if I can rescue this. This is the one I currently use. Pretty sure that's another Harbor Freight. I don't remember exactly. Somebody gave this to me years and years ago. The compressor that used to be back here actually melted. So I pulled it out, put a new battery in it, fixed it. It works. Let's see if we can get this one going. Set you up on a tripod and get to work. Actually, I'm going to try something different. I'm going to maybe hooked up close and personal here. A chest rig. Tripod off to the side. Wasn't really capturing much. And get some coffee. Let's get started. Where do we begin? So you've got a bunch of screws. Phillips. I don't know what the hell that was. That used to be alive. Ugh. So I'm wondering if it's just the internal battery that's toast on this thing. You get electronics in this one. Well, I'm pretty sure this battery is toast. Put it on the wrong setting. Dum-dum. Yeah. I actually might have a battery for this. I'll go look. You stay here. Looky what I found. Let's see if it's any good. Ooh, coffee. I believe these batteries generally should have about 100 cold cranking amps. Let's see what this one's got. Hmm. 246 cold cranking amps. That's not bad. I'd call this one good. Freaky. What's the glue? Thought the screw was getting longer. I'm not awake yet. Out with the bad, in with the good. We got little rubber pads we gotta get around. This battery a little taller. Slightly. And we gotta ditch this. You live here now. Like a glove. Just add a little spark of life. All right, before we get it all back together, that handle's not actually attached. All right, let's see what we got. On. Oh, we got a light. Look at that. So we had none of this before. It was completely dead. Let's see here. Will this work? Oh, the compressor even works. That is awesome. I'll get all the screws back in. See if it'll take a charge. Whoa! Did it again. No touchy. I'm actually surprised this thing works, because when my buddy gave this to me, it had been dead for a while, and he just had it rolling around in the back of his open bed truck. In fact, the day he brought the truck over to have some tires put on it, it was pouring out. I don't think this is screwing here either. Well, I don't know where that screw disappeared to, but that's all right. Find it later. How's that for an old ass extension cord? Was enough for charging these things up. Looks like it's charging. Cool. Well, thanks for hanging. And this was a nice easy fix. Dead battery. I don't know how old this is, but it looks like it's been kicking around for a while. I got a little more compact jump starter with a air compressor on it. Just got to fix this thing. But cool. Thanks for hanging. I'll catch y'all on the next one.